Welcome to Project Frankenstein. Yay!
All right, welcome to Project Frankenstein. Boom. All right, so I gotta yank this engine. That's it. I gotta do it. So I'm gonna go get the engine hoist and the engine stand. So I'm gonna pick both of those up. Boom. And maybe stop by Street Side Classics. I don't know. Maybe. And then, but yeah, let's do it. Let's get it done. I have to figure out, you can see I'm pulled straight in. So I have to figure out how I'm gonna push this bad boy out to get the engine pulled out and put in the garage, because I don't want to keep it out here. So I'll probably have to get a couple of guys to help me do that, because we're gonna have to push it out, push it back in. All right, let's go. We're almost there. You excited?
Give me we need to exercise. 7 years.
Right, check it out. I got this bad boy. Boom. Yeah. Hey, this turned out pretty nice. Not bad. Not bad. I like it. Now I'm gonna go through and tighten everything up, make sure all the bolts are good, but super simple to put together. I'm gonna finish this bad boy up later. I got the base done and one leg. This one's definitely a lot more work to put together versus the stand. But I'm stoked because now that I have these, I'll be able to pull that engine out. We'll be good to go. All right, boom. Hey, like and subscribe, people.
Okay, bye.